सर आज तुम्ही सेंट्रल लायब्ररी आणले प्रोग्राम असो कितें सांगचे दिसता.
सेंट्रल लायब्ररी कृष्णदास शर्मा सेंट्रल लायब्ररी तांणी ऑर्गनायज केला हो प्रोग्राम ऑन स्टेटहूड डे. आज 30th मे 1987 म्हणजे 37 इयर्स कंप्लीट जाली गोंयच्या घटक राज्याक स्टेटहूड डे. तो सेंट्रल लायब्ररीन एक फंक्शन दवरिल्लें वेर इन आय वॉज वन ऑफ द स्पीकर अलॉंग विथ प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर वर्षा कामत अँड म्हणजे इम्पॉर्टन्स द हिस्ट्री ऑफ गोवा with special reference to statehood. So what is this statehood? Whether it is every Goan's aspiration was to have Goa as a state. That is fulfilled on today's date in 1987. But the question is, are all our dreams fulfilled? Because what we find is there is so much of there is so much of corruption. There is hill cutting going on. The fields are being filled. CRZ violations, Madhai issue. So if you go to see, there are issues at every step that we have to come out and fight. Okay, the trees are being cut on a day-to-day basis, and you find projects, some projects, the names are also very weird. Bhutani आणि कोण अशी नावां आयकुपाक येता. Who are these people? They have come from Delhi. They are builders. They are in nexus with the government and they are having this. आता हांवें आयकलां ते लेटस्ट म्हणजे आमच्या गोवा बचाव अभियानाची मिटींग आशिल्ली and that time we heard that 450 flats or 550 flats are coming in Sakwaळे with swimming pools. Okay, Sakwaळे विलेजीन कितें चल्लां हें. आनी इतले आमचे कडेन वॉटर रिसोर्स पयलींच आमकां प्रॉब्लेम आसा आनी ऑशेल स्प्रिंगा कडेन एक 8 विलाज येता. हे सगळे दिल्लीकारांचे विला. सो गोवा इज फॉलिंग अ प्रे टू दिल्ली पीपल ऑर नॉट. DLF हें पळय, DLF तो ब्युटिफूल ग्रीन हिल हॅज बीन कंप्लिटली मेड बॉल्ड. आणि इतले विलाज पॉश हे कोण लोक जांचे कडेन भरपूर पयसो आसा म्हणजे मिलियनेज बिलियनेज. दे वॉन्ट टू इन्वेस्ट गोवा. दे वॉन्ट टू मेक गोवा अ सेकंड होम. And so some of us are fighting. I feel the entire Goa should come out in large numbers and oppose this. Locals are opposing. It is very heartening to know that locals are in Gram Sabha, they are opposing and ते चलता. पण we are not meeting with success. So many Goans are आणि कितें आसा, who is responsible for this? Goans are selling their lands. If you go to see, we can't blame the politician all the time. Who elects these politicians? It is the Goan people who are electing them repeatedly. So once you are elected repeatedly, naturally you will feel that you are the king. Okay, so repeatedly election of the same people. Then you have these projects. तांकां permission कोण दिता? पंचायत कितें करता? पंचायत is hand in gloves. I am not saying all sarpanches. The Sarpanch of Oshel, she came out in support of the people to oppose the project near Oshel Spring. I really appreciate that. So, but generally you see the NOCs are given by the panchayats, the local MLA is involved, आणि पोमुर्बा एक फॉरेस्ट कट करून थंय व्हडलो प्रोजेक्ट आसा. विलाज आफ्टर विलाज कोण रावतलो? We can't afford those villas, but the rich people from Delhi, Bombay, they are buying flats. आणि Goa is become for their pleasure. आमचे गोंय जे आमकां गोंयकारांक अधिकार आसपाचो ते ना. भायले लोक हांव तशें डिस्क्रिमिनेट करना. गोवन्स रोखडेच मागीर लोक म्हणटले डिस्क्रिमिनेट करता इंडियन्स. वी ऑल आर इंडियन्स. खबर आसा वी ऑल आर इंडियन्स म्हणून. ते म्हाकाय खबर. आय एम प्राऊड टू बी एन इंडियन. बट वॉट इज द कॅरिंग कॅपेसिटी ऑफ गोवा? गोवा इज स्मॉल आणि इतले टिमींग मिलियन्स ऑफ येतात आणि इट इज सो फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग. आणि आमी उलोवपाकूच शकना बिकॉज फायनली इट इज द पीपल हू आर वोटींग देम. पीपल आर वोटींग अँड रिपीटेडली वोटींग आणि वयल्यान एक्टिविस्टांक गाळी मारता. वी आर डुईंग फॉर गोवा. आमी कितें आमकां पर्सनल कांय बेनिफीट ना. आय एम नॉट अ मेंबर ऑफ एनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी नॉर आय एवर वॉन्ट टू बी अ मेंबर ऑफ एनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. ओके, बट आमची मदर गोवा आमकां त्रास जाता. ते हिल कटींग हांगच्यान सुद्दां दिश्टी पडटा. सगळ्या कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स आफ्टर कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स फायनली. आनी गोवन्स कितें करता? सोडटा लंडनाक वता. दे आर गोईंग टू लंडन आनी थंयच्यान म्हाका मॅसेज येता, Rajul, hill is being cut there. What are you doing? Go there. एकटी बायल म्हाका सांगपाक लागली एक झाड कापता म्हणून. आसले मॅडम कम विथ मी, लेट्स गो अँड सेव द ट्री. आय एम इन लंडन म्हणपाक लागली ती. सो तुमी थंय रावतले, एन्जॉय करतले लंडनाक आनी आमी हांगा झगडपाचें? आमी झगडटा कित्या खातीर? बिकॉज इट इज आवर मदर गोवा. दीस आय एम एक्सप्रेसिंग टू द मिडिया आउट ऑफ शियर फ्रस्ट्रेशन एज अ गोवन. जो आमकां मदर गोवा, आमची जी आवय गोंय आसा ताजें माणकुलें गोंय जें अशें सोंपता, डिस्ट्रॉय जाता एवरी डे, ताज्या खातीर आमी तळमळीन उलयता. Okay, so some people will laugh at it and this thing. This is not a political speech, but what is happening in Goa is really, really, it is very disturbing. So actually, on the statehood day, I am very frustrated. I'm happy that it is statehood. I wish all the Goans happy statehood, but please think of it before selling your land to Goa, to people from outside. You're selling your land and going to London. And from there, don't express your worry. Come here and stay here. Thank
Sir,
you.
as you said, many problems are there, but still people are not coming out and speaking on it. So what do you think about that? People are not speaking about the issues.
People are not speaking because they are scared. People are scared of political power, political pressure. That's why they are not coming. ओके जर तुझें एक झाड जर कापता आमी तरी शांतीने झाडां कापताले वडाचें झाड जी आमची संस्कृती आसा तेच कापून उडयलें मागीर ट्रान्सलोकेशन केलें म्हणून तें केलें सो वी मूव द कोर्ट ऑल्सो वॉट हॅपन इन द कोर्ट इट वॉज सेड दॅट हेन्सफोर्थ वी वील नॉट कट एनी ट्रीज हेन्सफोर्थ वी वील नॉट कट एनी तालिगांव पळय 2 झाडां मारपाक येता सो सम पीपल आर कमिंग एंड मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल आर नॉट कमिंग मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल आर नॉट कमिंग In fact, ते शांतीने झाड मारपाक residents only came out in large number in support of cutting of the tree. Residents came out in support of cutting of the tree. मागीर कितें उलोवपाचें आनी वयल्यान मागीर this is politically motivated आनी some may be politically motivated. Some of the activists like us are not politically motivated. We are not a member of any political party, nor we have any political ambition. So all are not politically motivated. Some may be. I am not disagreeing, but I am saying the people should come out and save Mother Goa. Who will come out against that Bhutani project? Locals are opposing now. Salute to them, those who are opposing. खंयची नांवां सुद्दां आयकल्यात विचित्र सगळीं नांवां सगळे you will find that Goa is not for Goans. Goa is all for people from rest of the world. So Goa is for the pleasure, summer holiday homes. ते overlooking the river, sea. ते प्लेनाच्यान बसता तेन्नाच म्हणटा I want to buy land in Goa. तुम्ही हाजे खंयचे सेलिब्रिटींचे हाचे इंटरव्यूज पळया. एक क्वेश्चन I want to buy land in Goa. I want a slice of the cake of Goa. म्हणजे Goa has become like a delicious cake and everybody wants to have a slice. I want to buy land in Goa. Everybody wants to buy a second home in Goa. म्हणजे तांकां सांगपाक गोवा सो तांकां गोंयांत पळयल्यार तांकां कितें जाता आनी दे बाय एंड दे हॅव लॉट ऑफ मनी वी डोंट हॅव मनी दे हॅव लॉट ऑफ मनी सो दॅट इज द प्रॉब्लम
सेकंड होम पेक्षा चडशे हांगासर कमर्शियल करपाक सोदतात कारण खुबशे प्रोजेक्ट्स तुमी म्हटले ते प्रमाणे आतां बिचोली सुद्दां द मेगा प्रोजेक्ट येवपाक आसा सो कमर्शियल ते रावपाकूय सोदिना ते कारण ताणें भायल्यांकूच दिवपाक सोदतात सो दे आर मेकिंग नॉट ओनली द सेकंड होम the business over the land
business in fact I have heard people talking over the phone यहाँ पे जगह है यहाँ पे पेडणे is totally sell out totally पण हे जे जाता न्ही it is not coming in a vacuum it is all connected पंचायतीक परमिशन लागता न्ही पंचायत is there okay ह्यो सगळ्यो ज्यो authorities आसा from the ground level to the highest authority they are all involved in this TCP डिपार्टमेंट कशी परमिशनां मेळटा तांकां सगळे तांकां हे सगळे करपाक परमिशनां कशी मेळटा सो देर इज अ ह्यूज नॅक्सस ते सगळे एक आतां पळय एक फेसबुकाचेर बी येता यहाँ पे दीस प्लॉट दॅट दीस प्लॉट इज फॉर सेल एंड दे चूज वॉट रिवर सायड मागीर हे एकटो कोण तरी फॅशन डिझायनर ब्युटिफूल स्पॉट आशिल्लो पेडणे ही हॅज बॉट लँड ओवर देर वी हॅड ओपोज्ड इट सो अशें ते रिवर सायड सी सायड दीस इज द एट्रॅक्शन आतां हो रेश मागोज जो DLFचो प्रोजेक्ट the whole hill has been converted. Who gave the permission? Where was the panchayat? Panchayat is giving permission. Local MLAs are involved. Everything is they are all converted. So you may belong to any political party. Magir they will say you are making a political statement. No, we are concerned about our mother Goa. Our mother Goa should be saved. आता saved म्हणपूय म्हणल्यार आता very difficult जाला. It is nothing can be saved. It is to that level.
Sir, as a historian, what would be your message for the students on Statehood Day?
Students.
Yeah.
I have आता म्हाका 32 years आता 31 years complete in teaching. I'm very sorry to say that where are my students? Very frankly, when a hill is being cut, I want my students of that village to come out and fight for it. Where are they? My students are putting photographs on the Facebook, okay, with their families, and are they concerned about Goa? I've taught a large number of students and I've taught them this only, history, heritage. But where are they? They are not coming. Just 1 or 2 students, I don't know what to say. Just having a degree, just having a job and your settled family life, and that is not life. That anyone can do. But when you are studying about history, you are studying about Mangal Pandey, you are studying about Bhagat Singh, finally can they use? We have a large number of girl students. Where are they? सॉरी टू से वेर आर दे हां खंय आसात ती आमी तांकां हाजे उलयता राणी ऑफ झांसी वी आर गिविंग एग्जांपल राणी ऑफ झांसी सरोजिनी नायडू खंय आसात ती आर दे कन्सर्न आर दे बॉदर्ड हे आतां ते आयकलां टीव्हीचेर दे विल बी एंग्री विथ मी आय डोंट केअर बिकॉज दे हॅव टू गेट अपसेट द स्टुडंट हॅज टू फील ओके सरान आमकां हें शिकयलां आतां म्हजी ड्युटी आतां म्हजी ड्युटी आमीच आतां एज जाली आमची आमीच फायट करपाचें तुमी येयात फायट करपाक आय सेंड मेसेजीस टू द स्टुडंट दे डोंट कम Today, how many students are there? Not only one girl was there. So this is the state of students in Goa. So I should not say I have no faith in the students. I have lot of love for them and all, and they also have love for me. But they are not coming when there is their need. They have to be on the ground fighting for. They are not coming. एक कोणचे फेस्टिवल जर जाली youth festival न्ही कसे they will all come out in large numbers. कशे येतात ते आमचे फेस्टिवल आनी ते वेस्टर्न म्युजीक लायता हें करता सो आय एम नॉट अगेन्स्ट इट बट आय एम सांगता सो तेन्ना ते बट अदरवायज फन एंड फ्रॉलीक दे आर देर वेन इट इज एकटो म्हाका म्हणजे खूब जाण अशे भुरगे मेळटात म्हाका ते पयलींचे स्टुडंट ते म्हणटा सर तूं बरो काम करता सर डुईंग अ गूड जॉब आनी फेसबुकाचेर अशें हें करतात ते दीस इज द स्टेट ऑफ अफेर्स ऑफ स्टुडंट्स आय एम व्हेरी सॉरी टू दीस स्टेटहुडाचे दिसा I want to give this message to my students also that you are not doing anything for Goa.